Hello everyone, welcome to Tactim. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to set quick action to turn off and on flashlight in your Android phone. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Tactim. So let's get started. For this, you have to open your settings. Now scroll down. Now go to Shortcuts and Accessibility. Here you can see the option of Quick Action. Press on this. If you want to set your quick action to turn on and off your flashlight, you just have to select here. That's it. So this is how to set quick action to turn on and off flashlight in your Android phone. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.